Hello, I'm Ted Gribble, engineer working with AgPro. This is our premier separator that we sell. This unit, this style of unit has been in use for around 40 years. However, we have developed this new version to address all of the issues that you traditionally see with these static screen separators. Notice we have stairs on either side, so you have complete access to the whole unit without getting a ladder or anything up. It's much safer and easier to access. The screen is divided into 3 parts, and each one of these parts moves and goes up just like this, and then it actually goes over center and will sit there. You can see we got 2 of them up right now. And this is very important because an algae likes to grow on the backs of these screens, and you've got to be able to get to this to clean it off, otherwise the unit loses its effectiveness. And flipping these screens up once a week and cleaning from the bottom is the way you address that. So properly set up, these units will take everything out of your waste stream up to 40 thousandths of an inch. That's about the thickness of the credit card. There won't be anything bigger than that entering your pond. So come by and see us here at the show.